Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. This prevents sync delays. Next, make sure you know your Apple ID and device passcode because you may re-authenticate. Now open Settings and tap Passwords and Accounts or Mail, Contacts, Calendars on older iOS. Once there, you'll see Existing Accounts. This is where you add or enable calendar access. Take a moment to locate the account that holds the calendar you want before proceeding to you'll add or enable the account that contains your calendar. Tap Add Account and choose iCloud, Google, Exchange, or Other. For Google, use Sign In. For Exchange, enter email and server info. Make sure the calendar's toggle is on for that account, and check Fetch/Push settings under Fetch New Data so events sync promptly. If you selected Other, pick CalDAV and enter the server URL, username, and password. Once authenticated, the account should appear with calendars active. Give it a moment to sync. Open the Calendar app and tap Calendars at the bottom to show or hide calendars you just enabled. This controls visibility. Pull down in the app to force a refresh and wait for events to appear. If a calendar is missing, return to Settings, right arrow Passwords and Accounts to verify the account and calendar's toggle or re-authenticate. If problems persist, sign out and back in, restart the iPhone, and check the account server status. That resolves most sync issues and restores your calendars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.